Yes, it's true. Cryptocurrency has seen some massive wipeouts over these last few days. But then you've probably noticed there are certain projects in certain sectors within cryptocurrency that are moving against the market and are performing very well, are increasing in terms of price, even as a lot of other crypto projects are falling. And of course, we are talking about the blockchain gaming sector. Just take a look at some of these numbers. Metaverse, NFTs, and gaming sector cryptocurrency and altcoin projects have been holding strong against the recent market correction. Here we have projects sorted by their 7-day price increases, and many of them, as you can see, are in double-digit territory. Not too bad. And this is why, over the last couple of days, we've been trying to dig up potential gems in the gaming sector specifically. This is why we've been diligently providing you guys with information on how, when, where, and why to invest in this exciting crypto and blockchain gaming space. If you haven't checked out our recent videos, do be sure to do so. I'll put up some cards. They should be appearing right about now. Hey guys, my name is Maddie and this is our YouTube channel, Altcoin Buzz. We are a crypto investment research company. We've been in this space through thick and thin. We are not fazed by this recent shakeout because we've been in this space really for years. And I'm proud to say we've been making millionaires in cryptocurrency since all the way back in 2017. Don't believe me? Go back and check our track record. We've made a lot of public and very confident investments over the years in major winners like Ethereum, Binance, Cardano, Crypto.com, Engine, Matic Network, Chiliz, Quant Network, Polkadot, Uniswap, and many other 100x projects. And so if you don't want to miss out on the next potential crypto gem or altcoin moonshot, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Altcoin Buzz. And because we put out time-sensitive material, I'd suggest you click the bell to receive notifications, because that way you're making sure YouTube alerts you every time we publish time-sensitive new content. And as always, guys, any kind of investment entails corresponding risk. So just a reminder, this video does not represent financial or investment advice. And with that being said, here now is part 3 of our top 5 list of altcoin projects that we're excited about that we feel have 100x potential in this crypto and blockchain and NFT and metaverse gaming space. Okay, so first up on our list today is, I think I'm saying this correctly, Kryxivia. It's a bit of a difficult pronunciation there, but here's the concept. It's a fantasy 3D MMORPG that's massively multiplayer online role-playing game, and it's playable on any modern browser and is directly available on Kryxivia.io, the website. And basically, it's a whole ecosystem awaiting new adventurous players to collect Kryxit, which is the in-game currency. People can also collect unique and rare NFTs while having fun and cooperating in experiences with their friends. We love this game and this project because actually, in fact, Kryxivia's gameplay and in-game economy has got us excited for a variety of reasons. It's because both of these are tightly coupled. I'll say it again, their in-game economy and their gameplay. For example, you can build out your own character, you can fight in dungeons against bosses, you can stake your currency in the bank, get loot from farming specialized items, and of course, much more. And you can even trade your looted Kryxit and items in an in-game auction house or in the form of NFTs on any compatible decentralized marketplace. So with such an interesting balance of gameplay and in-game economic variables, the project has already attracted multiple investors like Unicrypt, Bullperks, Starter Capital, Engine Starter, Pools, Dex Tools, Poly Network, Everse Capital, Ajubes, DCT Capital, DeFi Boost, and others. And while the game is yet to go live, the team has already deployed KXA and KXS tokens on the Binance Smart Chain testnet for the alpha. They've already started the game development, are testing the base gameplay, things like game servers and blockchain links. And we know that because of the open source release of the Kryxivia codebase on GitHub's repository and the different smart contracts that are transparently available for you to browse and peruse. In Q4 of 2021, the team has promised to kickstart the KXA token by doing a public sale to create the asset pool liquidity and the game-based funds, ILO. They also plan to create a Uniswap-controlled pool for the in-game KXS token with 10% of the funds raised. Okay, so how, when, and where can you participate? Well, the KXA token presale is going to be conducted soon on Unicrypt, Pools, Starter XYZ, Engine Starter, and Bullperk. It's really an early investment opportunity right now, as each KXA will be priced at only 0.6 cents. That's $0.006. And 10% KXA will be unlocked at TGE, that's the token generation event, vesting linear on smart contract with a total unlocked under a year. And that's all we have on Kryxivia at the moment. Stay tuned, of course, to our news videos, which we publish daily, as well as our social media. We will alert you guys to any important developments if and when they become available to us. All right. Next up on our list at number 2 today is Killbox. This is an action-packed, somewhat first-person shooter game, if you can call it that, in which players assemble elite squads and trade in-game NFT, that's non-fungible token, weapons, such as AK-47s, grenades, even swords. It also features weekly challenges, ranking matches, and a lottery system for the distribution of crypto prizes. The Killbox traditional version has 100 million downloads already. Guild Leader KOL recruitment campaign was launched in October and promises to provide guild leaders up to 10% commission. As far as our knowledge goes, the beta testing of the game is currently in progress. And November is expected to be a very important milestone month for Killbox because of the IDO, the token listing, and the release of the game's official version. And with the pace at which Killbox has been developing, it's already attracted investors and partners like Crypto Avengers, OKX, Blockchain Ventures, Communities, Engine Starter, Illuvium, Good Games Guild, and others. So how, when, and where to participate? Well, if you're at all excited, you can get into this project and its IDO on Engine Starter, Red Kite, GameFi, and the dates are all going to be revealed very soon. In fact, imminently, so stay tuned for more information. All right, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army, number 3 on the list today is Quidd. That's Quidd. This is a marketplace to buy, hold, sell, and collect limited edition, individually serialized digital collectibles. So fans, collectors, and NFT enthusiasts can try Quidd by downloading and installing it for free on either iOS or Android, and they can visit market.onquidd.com. That's Quidd with 2 Ds. And the native mobile app has been live in production and is available via both app stores and has been for nearly 5 years. The website is even newer. It's currently on display here. It's in beta version. Basically, on Quidd, collectors can purchase rare digital stickers, digital trading cards, and digital 3D figures featuring their favorite brands like Marvel, Disney, Game of Thrones, the NBA, Naruto, Shippuden, let me know if I mispronounced that, Rick and Morty, and yes, many, many more. These are all items that can be purchased via packs in the Quidd primary market, or they can be bought directly from other collectors in exchange for US dollars. In fact, Quidd is the only digital collectibles marketplace that is fully AML, that's anti-money laundering compliant, enabling successful collectors to earn real money and withdraw USD every week, and to do so safely. In a couple of weeks, Quidd will be launching mintables, enabling collectors to mint certain digital collectibles on chain, such as NFTs. And what's really exciting is that Quidd is chain agnostic, which means the collector can choose his or her collectible to go onto any chain. And the chains that the team is most excited about right now are Ethereum, Wax, and Flow. So from what we can glean, the product kind of looks like a more fun version of eBay, for example, but with added features like a cash wallet, a collection to store your collectibles, and various metagames to rank and outcompete fellow collectors. It's a project that also has impressed us because it's gotten the attention of investors like One Football, Animoca Brands, Mind Fund Group Limited, Sancor Capital, Genesis Block, Kingsway, and others. These have all expressed interest in Quidd. The Quidd token's first IDO happened on November 18th on PokeStarter at a token price of 25 cents, and it's going to be listed on PancakeSwap and Ascend EX. And you guys can follow them on Twitter. The handle here is shown at Quidd. That's QUIDD token. All right, and at number 4, the penultimate entry on our list today is MetaGods. This is the world's first play-to-earn 8-bit action RPG, so it's a bit of a throwback, and it's built, of course, on blockchain. You can trade and play with generative NFTs to vanquish dangerous monsters and become a true god. The team coined the term social GameFi. Basically, this is defined as a game that's meant to be played with friends. So when you squad up, the APY will increase, thus incentivizing you to play socially. The generative NFTs minted will not only be a profile picture, but will be the in-game character. And this is a first. Imagine if your CryptoPunk or Degen Ape could be used in a game in the same way. This is what they're going for here. And they're starting off with BSC, Binance Smart Chain, but will move to integrate Solana first thing right after the launch, and eventually they plan to support all of the major chains as well. When we talked to the team, they revealed that the gameplay intends to solve one of the biggest problems currently faced, at least in the traditional gaming space. In traditional gaming, the high-level players are going to farm the lower-level dungeons, and they're going to do so with ease. The MetaGods team plans to solve this by applying weapon durability and putting a level lock into effect. So from the blockchain side, they plan to solve the Axie inflation problem by providing a use case for the in-game token. Basically, the players are going to need to use the in-game token to repair their equipment, which degrades, and buy in-game items and upgrades accordingly and as needed. Indeed, they are focusing on a well-balanced game and a solid in-game economy. And the team also plans to have price stabilization mechanisms as well to provide initial liquidity to players. We don't have any IDO or supply details just yet, but as is the theme in today's video, as soon as we're privy to that information, of course, we're going to share it with you guys as soon as possible. All right, and the last project on our list for today, last but not least, is Moonscape. This is a sci-fi resource strategy management game in which players use DeFi mechanisms to build and conquer cities on the moon. So it seems that Moonscape is kind of like a brand new take on the resource management strategy genre. In it, players explore a futuristic moon using DeFi features to enhance their cities while earning rewards for their time spent in-game. So the concept behind the game is that you can build and grow your city to enhance your power. So you can choose different types of features for every building that you construct. One, for example, to help you improve your city and rovers, and a DeFi feature offering attractive staking options as well. You can build rovers and extractors to roam the land in search of limited resources, and then you can upgrade your buildings and machines while increasing your earning potential. All the cities can be turned into NFTs for minting, trading, and selling, which of course benefits industrious players. And although the game is not out just yet, it has grabbed the attention of a very long list of partners and investors. Here they are on screen. I'm not going to read through them all, but you can see for yourself. We have some pretty good names on this list. Its official token, MSCP, is about to do the IDO very soon on Seascape. You can claim your tier right now. So there you have it. That is part 3 of our top 5 100x moonshots, altcoins that we feel have massive potential in this burgeoning crypto NFT / metaverse / blockchain gaming space. Let us know, guys, in the comments which of these entries appealed to you the most and why. Also, let us know if there's a project you are super excited about and which we've omitted. If that's the case, we'll do our best to feature that in an upcoming video. Guys, if you are still watching, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Altcoin Buzz, and hit the bell to receive notifications. Never financial advice, but of course, we do wish you all the very best of luck if you do choose to invest. Check out part 1 and part 2 of our 100x blockchain gaming series if you've not already. I'll make sure some cards are popping up right about now. Stay safe, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. And as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.